Which colors are we gonna open up? We got this mystery 4-pack of the squishy dumplings. These are stretchy, stress relief, fidget, anxiety relief little toys, and they're super cute. They're viral, and these are mystery packs, and it says you have a rare chance to get golden or rainbow dumpling. So we're gonna open up all these and see which ones we get. Let's open up the first one. Let's see what we get. They come in these cute little, they're like steamed buns. Okay, we got this pink one. Look how cute it is. Cute little face. They are super soft and stretchy. My kids love all of these little squishy toys. So we got pink. See what the next one is. I think it said you have like a 10% chance to get one of the rare ones. The rest are their classic colors, which are still super cute. Oh, and we got the rainbow one. Awesome. My kids are gonna be so excited. Look how cute that one is. I love how soft, squishy they are. Awesome. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, what's it gonna be? Ooh, this is a pretty color. It's like minty or sage green. They're cute. Let's see. They all have the same little face. Let's see if except for the rainbow one has a little different face on there. Okay, last one. Let's see what's it gonna be. Oh, cute. Little neutral beige color one. Well, that is fun. We got 4 different colors, including the rainbow one. Look how cute those are.